Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Lessard. It's time for math, and it's time for our final day on coins. I hope you've had fun learning about coins. I know I have. Today's going to be crazy fun because you're going to learn a brand new game. I will attach the game rules for mom and dad or grown-up or whoever's helping you. It's called Dollars and Dice. So let's do a quick review. Quarter, 25 cents. Dime, it's worth 10 cents. A nickel's worth 5 cents, and a little penny's worth 1 cent. That's our tiniest coin. Those are the 4 coins, and hopefully you've been adding them up and doing them. So let's play this game. You're going to love it. Okay, what you're going to need is a bunch of coins, okay, because the goal of the game is to get $1 first. And you're going to need a dice. Hopefully in one of your games you have one. If you do not, when we worked on 3D shapes, we made a cube. And you can make that same cube, you all have it, and then write the numbers 1 to 6 on each of the faces, or flat surfaces. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to roll the dice. If you landed on a 1, you get to take a penny. If you don't have them, make pennies. Cut out a circle and put a P, or 1 cent. If you roll a 2 with the dice, you get a nickel. If you roll a 3, a dime. If you get a 4, a quarter. Now here's where it gets really fun. If you get a 5, you can take whatever coin you want. That's the wild. And if you get a 6, you lose your turn. So you don't want to get the 6. You really want to get the 5 because the 5 gives you the ability to take whatever you want because the coins are all going to be in the middle of the table. Whoever gets to $1 first, you're the winner. And parents, grown-ups, moms and dads, you can vary the rules a little bit. On the rules, it says stuff like if you go over, then you lose. You don't have to do that. It also says if you get really good at it, you can go to maybe a different amount of money. Okay, so all you need is a dice. And again, if you're like, oh, I really don't have one, well, you can most certainly make one. Okay, do you remember it looked like this? It was like a big, big, big cross. And then we folded it into little squares. And then we took tape and we taped it so that it became a cube. Mine ripped a little because it was in my bag. And then you write a number 1 to 6 on each of it. If you're like, well, we don't have any coins in our house, which I know you do because a lot of people are showing me photos of them sorting the coins and counting them. But if you don't, cut out circles and write 1 cent or a P for penny. Nickel, you can do an N or 5 cents. And play this game. It sounds crazy fun. And what's super cool is it's stuff you have at your house. You have dice usually in at least one of your games. And if not, you can make that. And most parents have coins or you have a piggy bank. Okay, I am also going to attach this last worksheet. This is our very last worksheet. If you have the ability to print it, which I don't, you can do the whole thing. But if you don't, you can just going to do the bottom and I'll show you how. If you can do the whole thing, it says color the pennies red, color the nickels green, color the dimes blue, and the quarters yellow. So it wants to know if you know what all the coins are. And this is also very important, guys, because when you guys take your NEWA test next year, there are going to be some math questions with coins, and they're going to want to know if you know what the coins look like and how much they're worth. So by practicing right now, you're going to be so super ready for that. At the bottom, you're going to add up and write down cents, which we did yesterday. But you got to be really careful to look at it. Make sure you know which coin it is because they're all worth different amounts. So what I did is if you do not have the ability to print, like I don't, you're just going to get a piece of paper and you can freeze it right now on this and copy what I have. D means dime or 10 cents. N means nickel. Q means quarter. And P means penny. So let's go with dimes. Dimes are worth how much? I hope you said 10 cents. So you got to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So on this line, you're going to write 6, 0. And the C with the line through it means cents. All right, these are nickels. Nickels are worth how much? I hope you said 5 cents. So we're going to count by 5. 5, 10. So we have 10 cents. All right, these are quarters. Do you remember how much quarters are worth? They were 25 cents. Remember, you're either going to have 25, 50, 75, or 100, which is $1. Let's see what we have. 25, 50, 75. And pennies. Pennies are worth, hope you said 1 cent, so we just count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cents. So if you can't print, just do what I did. Okay? It's not exact, but it's still counting the money with the right amounts. And please have fun with the dollars and dice game. It's such a fun game. I think you guys will have a blast, and I think you're going to want to play it over and over and over and over. For now, that's kind of our little mini lessons on coins and money. You do need to know those, so when you go to first grade and your teacher says, all right, what coin is this? And let's count and add them up, because next year you'll probably be mixing which kinds of coins together when you add them. Good job. Have fun. Take a picture and show your teacher your work. And tomorrow we're going to start a brand new lesson. Bye, guys.